Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll explain why verifying your Cash App card on Samsung Pay can be tricky and what you need to know. To start, you might try adding your Cash App card to Samsung Pay by scanning it or entering the details manually. Even if the card information is correct and the card works with Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, Samsung Pay may still reject it. This happens because Samsung Pay has stricter acceptance rules. It generally supports traditional banks and established financial institutions, and Cash App is not recognized as a traditional bank. So currently, there's no direct way to verify or use a Cash App card on Samsung Pay. Some users try a workaround by linking their Cash App card to PayPal and then adding PayPal to Samsung Pay. While this can allow indirect access to Cash App funds, it's complicated and may not always work reliably. In conclusion, Samsung Pay does not support direct verification of Cash App cards at this time. Until policy changes, this limitation will remain, so it's important to plan accordingly and consider alternative payment methods. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you understand how Samsung Pay and Cash App interact.